doing? You're talking? You have the hiccups? You think that's funny when you have the hiccups? Aiden, who's a happy baby today? Are you telling me a story? Go ahead, tell me the story. Yeah? What happened? Tell me that story. Yeah, that's a great story. Who's a happy boy? You? You happy? Come on, give me a smiley. Give me a smiley. No? Who's so cute? You? You cutie baby? Yeah. Cutie baby.